Hello, welcome back to another programming stream, the last one for June. Today I'm going to follow up from yesterday and just basically be styling the pop-up, the modal, to get it kind of in a state where it presents the data similar to how I'd want it to look. Probably won't get it all the way complete today. I'll definitely have to probably do some work during the week before I launch version 2 of the graph next week. That'll be interesting to see because there's been a lot of changes between the new timescale database, methods of collection, filtering out streamers who shouldn't really be on the graph because they're most likely view botting or other reasons that I've just kind of gone through and siphoned them out. And then finally with the new interaction that I'm doing today, last of it I'm doing today for making the modal pop-up to have a bit more information, a bit more interaction with the website. Yeah, that's about it. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I ended up yesterday with the pop-up working. So you click on the streamer, the actual node, or the node on the graph, and it would show a it would show the pop-up, the modal as they're called in what's it called, MDB. Problem was obviously it's not styled. There's nothing really going on with it. So today I want to add all that styling once the npm server starts up. Go ahead and show that off. I'm not entirely sure how it's going to look. I haven't really thought about it that much. I've got an idea in my mind about what it should look like. There should be a small table with just the list of streamers that are most similar, and obviously a spot for the avatar, a spot for their name, and then the description. I'm thinking that the avatar or the description will be right below the avatar, so I'm thinking of maybe doing something like something like on the left side here. I think it should be good now. There we go. Let me just pull it up and I can show you it actually instead of just talking about it. You actually click on it while it moves. But my idea was, so fuck the top row right here. That's probably not what I'll do. What I'll have is I'll keep this middle row, take out the top row, keep the bottom row for closing, and what I'll have is the image right here with their description right underneath, and then the table on the right of all their links. That's what I think I'll do. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up MDB5 and so I can kind of get an idea of how to do the styling. Where is it? Modal. Oh, I didn't even realize there was more down here. Was this vertically centered? Might not be bad, a vertically centered one. I didn't realize there was... Oh, you can add inside stuff, yeah, using grid. Oh, you can use the grid inside of a modal. That's cool. Extra large modal. Medium, small. Full screen below medium. I don't know what that is. Whoa. I don't really know what that is at the bottom, but... Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. Extra large. Let's see. Sizes. Okay. Modal class. Okay, you just add in the modal class. Extra large. Large. I think it'll need to be a large, honestly. It has to be decently wide to house all the information without being without looking too compact. So let's go over here. I'll split this into two so I can use both screens at once. Centering it might not be a bad idea either. Vertically centered scrollable modal, I don't know what that means. They look exactly the same. Whatever. Okay, so in the constructor... No, in the open modal. I think I'll center it. I think that will look better. Oh wait. Oh no. Whoops, this is in the wrong class. Or wrong function. It's down here. I add it here. And that should allow for it to be centered. Yep, there we go. Okay, so those are bottom rights, but I don't really want that. Optional sizes. Let's see, how does this work? Wait, you can't have... Oh, is that... That's annoying. Can you not have like centered full screen? No, you should be able to, because like if I look at this example here, that's not centered. That's not centered at all. Shit! Really? They had to do it like that? Where you can't have like... That's so annoying. Classes that need to be added to the middle class option. These sizes kick in at a certain breakpoint of which was narrow. Okay. Class dot modal. I'm just wondering how I can... I imagine this is the class, so I could probably add it in. Like if I click on it, let's look at the actual HTML. Yeah, there's the class. So maybe I could add in... What was it called again? Modal large. Oh yeah, there you go. I can just add on modal large to that. Wait, I wonder, can I just do this? Modal large? Can I just add them like that? Is that allowed? It is beautiful. Okay, I thought that like they had to be like unique, could only be one, but no, it's just a string representing the classes. That's nice. Okay. So how do I want to do this? I want to, like, using the grid, that might not be a bad idea. It's using the grid format inside of the body. You don't even have to do anything to the actual UI or anything like that. or add to the TypeScript. You can just do it inside the HTML. It's not a bad idea having the title like that at the or having their name at the top like that. I wonder why the name is like that. It's not capitalized or anything. Let's see. Something's overwriting all this. It's not like it's very small. Let's go H1, see what happens. There we go. Like, I don't mind that. I don't mind having it like that. Like, I wonder if I have that, and then I have their avatar right here. Let's just add in the table for now. I won't get too fancy. Let's just add the table for now. Let's see how they did it in the medium one. I think it's just literally adding the table quantifier or the table form. Yeah, it's just adding table. Okay, nothing too fancy there. Forms, validation, toast, utilities, data, tables. There it is. What's the difference between tables and data tables? It's a pro feature, so I guess I can't use it anyways, but whatever. Okay, so the basic is just this, and then you can add on a bunch of other things. So we'll go ahead and add this into the body. And what's the first one? The first column is going to be username, shared viewership. It's really only those two. Oh, whoops. I deleted too much data, I think, from that. Really, all I want to do is this, and then that. I need to keep at least one row in there. What are the options? Dark, column, table, row, table primary. Hoverable. Oh, that's cool. Actionable? No, I don't want actionable tables. You can change the border, you can make them small, the alignment, nesting, oh that's cool. Oh, you can even change how it's formatted. You can make one dark theme and the rest light theme, that's cool. Oh no, whoops, I do have too many rows. scope row 2. How does that work? Oh, you can use scope row. Okay, that's kind of cool, I guess, but kind of unnecessary for me. I don't really need a row specifier. Okay, it's not bad. Let's change the formatting a bit though. I like that idea of making the top row dark, or the header dark. It's cool. Let's align this in the middle. Seems like a good idea, actually. That did nothing. Whatever. Alright. So that gives me the right-hand side table. But I want 2 separate columns, so I think I'm going to have to use the grid format of the modal. Let's see. Modal using grid. Row, row. Really, it's just one row. And then it's 2 columns with the table. I believe it's 6 and 6. I forgot some of this grid layout stuff. There we go. Yeah, it's not bad. I'll probably have to style it a bit. I don't have to add a scroll wheel into that one column, because like XQC is like what, 90 something shared viewers. Should keep this open actually, because I'll probably have to go back to it a lot. Actually, just open up all 4 of them, or 3. Let's get rid of the save changes button. Stupid. Let's change this to button. Dark? Is that it? Or do they call it black? No, it's dark, yeah. Maybe that might conflict a bit. Another thing is I gotta figure out how to do the looping for that, for the info. I guess for now I'll figure out how to insert an image, a little image there. They have an example of this. Not really. Oh fuck, go away. What's this? I'm good with that, my guy. I think striped is actually pretty good. I think I'll add it. I'll remove dark table from the header and then add table striped to it instead. Although I might just make the entire modal a dark theme. I might just make that entirely black or gray. I kind of like the color that I have on my front page. Like this kind of dark gray here. Dark grayish blue. I might use that. Maybe shared viewers, actually. I think that's a better way to go for it. Not about. Fuck. Whatever. I think I want to add one of these logos right beside their name. How did I do that again? Let's see. Contact, HTML. Icons. Twitch. Where's their name populated? Here it is. Okay. I'm just gonna do this. And this. And then, how does it link? Oh, right to the href. Twitch.tv/user ID. There we go. And that should put a little Twitch icon right beside their name. And that way people can quickly link to their profiles. There we go. It's blue, unfortunately, so that sucks. Oh, what's the purple color? Oh, fuck. I forget how to color it. Damn. What's it called? Favicon? Favicon? No. Icons. I think I'm already on that page. I am. Let's see. Colors. There we go. Ah, it's called secondary. Nope, that didn't work. Fuck. YouTube. Anything? No. Damn. How did I do it before? How did I get the colors to go different? Is it a button? I think it might just be a button. Oh, there we go. Here's what I'm looking for. Oh, that's why it's the color. I want... okay, thank you. This fucking reloads all the time. Not really, I don't really want the button. Get rid of this. Color... Twitch logo color code. Beautiful. Like, right. Open in new tab, href. Bruh. What the fuck? That should have added his name, user ID. Oh, it's user. Let me guess. Over here, it's not. Yeah, it's lower ID. Damn it. There we go. User ID. Like that. It's annoying how it doesn't keep things uniform like that. It doesn't really hint at it either. It doesn't tell you that it's wrong. It just kind of lets you do it. Kind of what happens when everything's so loose. That's why I love Go, the strict definitions of everything. Why is this %70 at the end there? What is that? Oh, it's that. I accidentally had an extra bracket in there. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, it links to their profile properly. Closes it. How do I do, let's see, ng4 with table. Is there a tutorial? Table. Okay, so I just do tr row. Okay, yeah, so this shouldn't be too bad. So let's add ng4. Similar streamers. Similar, let's call it. And then let's go. Similar dot. Oh, this is the annoying part. I don't know which one of these is the one that I want to display. Because I didn't filter it, right? It's not filtered, it's just straight up passing the entire... Yeah, it's just passing the entire links. Fuck. Can you do ternary in this? Is there some way to do ternary through this? Angular ternary operator. There is. Ooh, kingly. Okay, so similar dot target dot ID is equal to user ID. I had 4 equals 2 instead of 3. Then I want to do similar dot source dot username. Oh, but it's right. It's a link. I'll have to fix that, but for now I'll just do this. I have to go over to, I have to fix it because it's right now it's a type of ng link or a force graph link, which doesn't have the username property on it. So I actually have to change this to an array of any, and then I can do I can do that username. It's hacky and I don't like it, but it's just like, I'm not going to try and fight it. What is it not like? Oh, whoops. I had to do that. And then similar dot weight. There we go. That should do it. Now I should have a graph. It'll probably be broken though as soon as I click on like XQC, who has like 90 some similar viewers. But it should in theory be right. Yep. It's broken because look how fucking long it is. It's also very stuttery for some reason. Let's see if I can add scrollable in place. I think I saw that. Scrolling long content. There it is. Now I just have to add that to this. And it should make the scroll bar inside the dialogue instead of the entire page. Beautiful. Although this is still scrollable outside because it's really long. Maybe there's a way to make the table scrollable. Ah, there we go. Response letter, scroll behind ease. That's not what I want. No. Let's see. MDB. Oh, I know what I can do. I can do. Can I just do? I think I can add like an overflow to the column. Where is it? Methods, utilities, layout? Where is it? Where is this overflow? There it is, overflow. I think overflow scroll on the table is going to be necessary. Hopefully that works. Nope, that did not work. Okay, let's try it manually here first before I get too crazy with this. I need to set a max height, I think, on the object, or on the object, on the div. height. Yeah, it's only really that. It's not really what I want though. Maybe it's in the rows itself. No, nothing really mentioned there about height. Doesn't really set a height maximum on any of this stuff, it looks like. Everything's set to a width maximum, but not really a height maximum. I'm not sure how to... Well, I know I can just add it manually. Yeah, I guess I can try it. I think that's how you specify it. Yeah. There we go. It's not ordered, which is kind of the annoying part. Be nice if I can make that interactable and you can order it. Is there such a way to do that? Responsive tables. I don't know what this does. Highlight a table row or cell by adding. Oh, that doesn't help me what I want to do. Okay, enough of this though. Let's try and add a image now on the left to see what it looks like. Add the avatar in. I'll do this here. Images. Try this. Equals avatar URL. Is there some way to add like text right underneath it? Doesn't really say. I guess it's kind of like a card if I think about it. Let's check out cards for a second. It's kind of like this, where it has like this card thing right underneath it, but without like the border behind it, the background. But right now it doesn't return this information from the front end, so I think what I'll do is just, let's see, XQC, or let's do twitch.tv/XQC. I'll just pull his avatar right now. Close it, and then just, I'll have to replace that later, but for now I'll just do that. Just so I can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. Oh, right, I forgot to add that in. Whoops. believe it's in utilities and sizing. Yeah, max height, there we go. I believe, you can use max width. This is just adding it specifically. Oh, that's how it's doing it. Okay. Let's try it. I'm gonna try out just adding H500 to it, or H100 to it, see what happens. Because I'd rather it be a bit more responsive. I don't really want to have to manually hard code a pixel height. I had to diddly squat. 25? Does that do anything? I didn't do anything either. Fuck, that does jack shit. Alright, let's go back to the style height 400 pixels. I don't think it matters that much, considering a screen resolution below 400 pixels would be strange. I can resize my screen to see what it would look like, but I think it'd be fine. Go on. Oh, I don't have overflow. Beautiful. There we go. Really sucks that it's not organized properly, but I can't complain that much. I could sort it by viewers and then just go down. Is it possible? Well, then I'd have to sort by weight. It might be possible. Like, let me take a look at how it passes it in. Links is a link object. Link object is just a source and a target, and I have an additional weight parameter on it. It might not be. It might be possible. I think it might be possible to add a sorting parameter, or add a sort to it. It'd be nice if it did it itself. Like, let's see. Dot sort. Let's see. TypeScript array sort. Is there some way to like specify? Oh, you can do the first object for comparison, the second object for comparison. Okay, that's kind of cool. Arrow functions, compare functions. Okay, okay. I can do this maybe. Well, let's see. Dot sort. I don't know how this is supposed to work. Okay, so you just have to return. To compare numbers instead of strings, the compare can be subtracted from A. following will sort in ascending order if it doesn't contain infinite nan. Okay, so I can just go A, B, return A dot weight minus B dot weight, because I know they're both numbers. Why isn't it like this? Oh, okay, cool. See if that works, or if it'll complain. Open up my console just to watch. Oh, it's sorted, just the wrong way. Oh, I guess ascending. I guess then if I want to do descending, I could just flip it. Yeah? Does this work? I think this will work. Because it's 1 if it's greater, -1 if it's less than, and 0 if it's equal. I believe those are the return parameters it's supposed to give. There we go, yeah. Cool, cool, cool. Now it's sorted properly. Beautiful. I didn't have to do anything. Oh, I did. I added this little sorting trick right there. And that's a bit too small. I'd rather that be bigger. Let's see. Images. Copy over the static image, place it, add in 3 lines like that, just to make it easy. Let me do it like that. It might just be because of how small the image is, that's why it's not taking up that much space. Because I think the image that I store is actually a lot larger. Actually, I can just check PG admin. Let me check. I'll open it up. Yeah, it's just that small. And I think I'll make it a little bit bigger. I'd rather it take up a bit more space. Okay. Let me log into the server and take a look at some of this data. So we looked at the data. We found surprises. Alright. Or no. View all rows. There we go. So this is what the images look like. Oh, can I just change it to like 300 by 300? Is that gonna work? I think that might work. Let's see. Because if it does, then hey, I think this will be fruitful. Oh yeah, look at that. Bit big, honestly, a bit big. Let's see what this looks like on full screen. Let's refresh the page. And I'm on a 1440p monitor, so if you're on a smaller size monitor, this probably won't look a little bit different. And I have two 1080p monitors on my right and left, so I can always check what that looks like. Yeah, it's a bit big. Does Twitch give? I wonder, can I just go down to like 150 by 150? If anybody's curious, the music I'm using is from C418. He makes some great stuff. Really recommend him. This is his album 1. He's the guy who did Minecraft music, just his most notable work. But he's got a lot of independent stuff that he does. And it's really enjoyable, of the same kind of atmosphere that I like. Can I do 200? That's not bad. Maybe if I added in some text underneath, like, because I'm planning on adding like a little bit of a description right underneath it. Like that. What's XQC's description? Query parameters, or query tool. Select everything from streamers where ID equals XQCOW. There we go. His description is Overwatch professional tank player and full-time streams. Easy clap. Okay. That's kind of funny. He still calls himself an Overwatch player. I still haven't decided whether I'm going to make a separate call to fetch this data or if I'm just going to join it on the return. I think I'm going to have to make a separate call because then I can modify the data on the fly, which would be fun to do. Kind of make some small oh, fuck Christ. I guess 200 doesn't exist, but 150 does. Does Twitch say Twitch logo sizes or profile image sizes? Let's see if I can find the word size in here. Okay. 14080 by 14080. That's the tallest. Okay. Wow, I'm already an hour into this. Sorry if anybody's kind of been watching along and it's been kind of boring, but it's kind of how it is some of the time. Like, some of the time it isn't that exciting. It's not like, ooh, I'm doing fun stuff with the database. Most of the time it's just me walking around and just kind of just fumbling around in Angular in this case, and just kind of doing stuff to see how it looks. Just kind of getting design down. And I'm not a design expert, very clearly by what I'm doing here, or professional, I should say. So, if you have suggestions for making the design better, please tell me, because fuck, do I need help with design. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of looking at it and seeing what looks good and what looks like shit, fucking garbage like this. Ooh. I think I might have to separate it out into a div or a body. Or I can make it bigger. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna have to add something in here, like a p tag. Paragraph like that. Like, let's see, maybe there's something typography. Not really. Yeah, it looks like P is kind of the preferred tag, but nothing really else. Oh yeah, another thing I changed was I fixed it how it displayed the username, or displayed the IDs when you search. Before, when you searched, it would display like their user IDs. Now it displays the username, which is good. It's like, let's go to Ludwig. One thing I have, if you press enter, it'll refresh the page, which is annoying. I have to fix that. Oh, look what's over here with train wrecks and oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? You can drag them? Why is this allowed? What the fuck did I break? Hold on. Hold the fucking phone. This should not be allowed. Enable no drag. False. Do not allow people to do that. That will fuck a lot of shit up. Oh god, that would fuck so much shit up. It might be fun, but it will tank your FPS at the once I actually have the proper formatting down. Summit 1G, Saikuno. XQC shares viewership with everybody. Like, I swear to God, this guy has all of his viewers in every other stream. Oh, look at this. Shroud is the only person he doesn't share that many viewers with. The fucking Christ. The first person to not share that many viewers. XQC. Like, yeah. XQC. Soda Pop and Asmongold, they share a lot of viewers, but they're a bit distinct. Like, where is he? I know Asmongold has his own. There he is. Like Asmongold, Soda Pop, and Zachrar, S-Fan, Quinn. People are probably gonna be like, well, then why are they in different communities? Well, that's just how the algorithm decided it, and it's like a bottom-up kind of approach where it starts off as every single streamer is a different community in its eyes, and then it kind of goes out, fans out from all of its links, and checks to see similarity, and tries to clump people together, and then it creates all these individual clumps, like this. Okay, I think right now what needs to happen is I just need to fix the return. Like, I need to add in the what you call it? Oh fuck, what's it called? The avatar URL and description, and then that way it'll I think I'll be able to continue on. Not much else I can show off right now. So I think this is where I'll call it. One quick change I want to make though. I want to get rid of that margin it has at the bottom for the title. Where is this? What happens if I remove that? Fuck, don't save it. What is it even saving to? It's my pictures? Okay. Whatever, I guess. That did nothing? Why? Oh, this is coming from something else. Matt H1. What is this from? Matt H1? What the fuck is that? Modal header. Now there's some Minecraft. You can hear the clicking. Theming. Oh, this is the material theming that's applying here. Okay, no, I don't want this. Okay, stop applying, or stop angular material theme to h1 tag. You can use this. Okay, that's all garbage. Okay, it doesn't seem to help me much, but for some reason it's applying the material design. Style margin 0. I don't want any margins. There we go. Don't really like how, like, not bold or anything it is. So that's what it would normally look like if I was to allow the modal heading to be applied. So this is full normal style Roboto. Not sure if I like that better, or I wonder if I should center it too. Right now it's kind of just on hovering left. I don't know. I think I still need to get all the avatar stuff in and the description for it to return the description and stuff like that for me to be sure about how I want it to be styled. I think just adding that information will fix a lot of stuff. Also, I might want to move this down. Might want to center this vertically. Both of these two tags. I think I can just do that right now, actually. This vertical alignment. Deflex, align center. There. Easy enough. And then I go... Yeah. There we go. That's not a bad idea, having it on the left, but I think what I want is, I want this to be underneath it. I want the image to take up the entire width, but not actually use the entire width. Div. Let's see, style width 100%. And then we'll add that into there, and add that underneath. That didn't do shit. There's some spacing now. Okay, well, there's some things that need to be adjusted. That's cool, having it like that, kind of floating on the right there, but it's not really what I want. But, alright, that's enough for today. I've gone pretty far with the styling. There's going to be more things that I need to do over the week to get it kind of more. I definitely think this should be bigger, though. The text should be definitely heavier. But for now, this is where I'll keep it at. There's a couple things left that need to be done, but I'm getting very close to being done. I've got a lot ready for next week's release, and next week I'm just going to be playing video games for like the first 2 weeks, because again, I've pooped myself out of coding, and I'll be kind of tired for a week or maybe 2 before I get back into it. And then I think the next thing I'm going to do after all this is probably like the YouTube stuff, and that's probably going to be really annoying to do. That's going to be fun, but we'll see. Alright, thanks for checking in. Look forward to V2 next week. That's just about it for me. Stay safe this week. It's going to be really hot, especially in the Pacific Northwest. Bye for now.